Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. Call of Duty Warzone is now released on Xbox Game Bar. So in order to install, you get an error, game features fail to load, try reinstalling the app. So this video is all about fixing this particular issue of game features fail to load while installing the Warzone using the Xbox. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with a basic troubleshooting step. Go ahead, head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option apps and choose the option installed apps. Now over here in the search app, go ahead, type in Xbox, click on this three dot icon and choose the option advanced options. Scroll down and here you will find the option of repair and reset. Go ahead, you need to choose the both options one by one. First one is repair and then choose the option reset, so that if there is any corrupted files available in the system, they will be cleared out using this particular feature. Once the process of repair and resetting the Xbox app is completed, go ahead, restart your system and try to install the game again. Now close it. Now if this method doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the second step. Go ahead, right click on start menu, choose the option run. Type here temp and then hit the enter key. Now whatever temporary files present right over here, select all of them, right click and choose the option delete. If any file is not deleted, you can easily skip that particular file. Once done, again run command and this time type in percentage temp percentage and then hit the enter key. Again select all the files, right click and choose the option delete. Skip the files which is not deleting. Once it is done, make sure to empty the recycle bin. Right click and empty the recycle bin. Once you have done so, go ahead, relaunch your Xbox Game Bar and try to install the Call of Duty, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of game feature fail to load while installing the Call of Duty Warzone in your Xbox. If this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to settings menu. Again in the left pane, choose the option apps, click on the option installed apps. Now in the search box, type in Call of Duty. Not available, type in Warzone. This app is also not available. So at your end, if one of these apps are available, you need to click on this three dot icon and then choose the option uninstall. I mean, you need to completely uninstall Call of Duty, all the versions, either it is Black Ops 6, Warzone or any other version. Once you've done so, close it, restart your PC, relaunch your Xbox and then try to install the game. This will fix out the issue of game features fail to load while installing the Call of Duty Warzone. If this method also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Go ahead, open up this PC. Now in this search bar, you need to type in two different terms one by one. First one is Call of Duty. Wait for the search to finish, and once it is completed, whatever the files are present right over here, you need to select all of them and choose the option right click and delete. After deleting Call of Duty files, again type in Warzone, and again if any files is present right over here also, again you need to delete the Warzone file also, no matter if you have 10 or hundreds of files. Make sure you completely delete all the files and then delete them from the recycle bin also. After deleting from the recycle bin, go ahead, relaunch your game, relaunch your Xbox Game Bar and then try to install the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of Call of Duty Warzone game features fail to load. Try installing the app. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.